Manila VTS. Manila VTS. This is MV Ocean Star. Ocean Star. Over.
MV Ocean Star, this is Manila BTS. Go ahead, over.
Manila VTS. MV Ocean Star is a bulk carrier inbound from Singapore. Currently 5 nautical miles south of Waypoint Bravo. Speed 12 knots. Requesting clearance to enter the North Channel TSS ETA to Waypoint is 1300 local time. Over.
MV Ocean Star, roger your position and request. Clearance to enter the North Channel TSS is granted. Maintain course 045 degrees and reduce speed to 10 knots. Report when abeam buoy 5, be advised. Outbound tanker empty horizon expected to cross your path at 1355. Maintain safe CPA, over.
Roger. Manila VTS. Entering North Channel on course 045. Reducing speed to 10 knots. Will report abeam buoy 5 noted on traffic advisory. Will maintain safe CPA with empty horizon. MV Ocean Star standing by on channel 16 and 12. Over.
MV Ocean Star, information received. Maintain a listening watch. Safe passage, Manila BTS out.